Hello, this is Jan with Bluesbird Toys, and showing you here is a toy called Bell Tower. It has 4 bell cups, brick house bell cups, meant for larger birds. And inside the bottom one is a key with a couple wing nuts. And up here is a tube in each of the upper 3 cups. That's the large bell tower. And I also have a medium-sized one, which is for the medium-sized parrots. And you can see it's has a different ring, thinner cups, has the same key and wing nuts and the same smaller tubing up here. Only consists of 3 shiny cups for the bell. And this is the medium bell tower. Whoops. And this one's got some weight to it. You can find these at Bluesbird Toys. Thank you.